Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is June 16th, 2025, and we're tackling EURUSD, combining news analysis and chart technicals. Let's start with the news, specifically Société Générale predicting euro to US dollar hitting 1.20 sooner than expected. This bullish forecast is driven by a weakening dollar due to tariff threats, geopolitical tensions, and reduced safe haven demand. However, FXStreet analysts have a bearish 2025 outlook, suggesting a possible return to parity. We'll also need to watch out for any further news on Iran tensions, because that has big market implications. Now, let's switch to the daily chart to see what's happening there. Looking at the overall trend on the one-day chart, we can see recent consolidation, with the price hovering around 1.155. We can see the price recently failing to hold above 1.16, a level mentioned in recent news. Keep an eye on this level as potential resistance. If we can break above this level, the 1.20 target becomes more likely. Now let's switch to the hourly chart and zoom in on the price action around June 12th and 13th, after it hit the 1.16 range. We'll use this chart to examine this recent drop on a more granular scale. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we can see the volatility from June 12th and 13th. There was an initial push to 1.163 and a subsequent drop. This recent price action suggests a potential short-term pullback. Look for support around 1.148 to 1.15 on the hourly timeframe. Zooming in on the 15-minute chart shows the distribution tighter. If the price breaks below the support, it could signal a continuation of the bearish trend mentioned by FXStreet analysts. To recap, key levels to watch are 1.163 as immediate resistance and 1.148 to 1.15 as potential support. SocGen's 1.20 target seems ambitious, contingent on a weakening dollar and a break above 1.163. The FXStreet forecast, however, suggests a possible return to parity, highlighting long-term bearish potential. Keep a close eye on the upcoming Fed speak next week. A dovish tone could indeed weaken the dollar and propel the EURUSD higher, reinforcing SocGen's bullish outlook.